So today on the table, I've got myself a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus, or possibly Max. Lose track of the terms on these ones, being that they're relatively lesser seen Samsung model. Now this one I'm using a bit of isopropyl and a flat pry tool, and also have had the heat pad on at 60 degrees Celsius just to soften it up. This one was a little bit trickier compared to normal to open. But currently I'm just opening it up with the intent of putting a different battery in there. But all I'm doing in this video is showing the teardown procedure to get to the battery itself, and then I've stopped the video from there. So with this isopropyl, what I've done, the alcohol helps release essentially the tape. It softens the tape so you can actually lift it without stripping the paint off the back of the back cover. So I'm just constantly reapplying the alcohol to it, just enough that it will seep in between the back cover and the back of the phone, but not enough that it will leak and potentially go into the screen itself and damage it that way. So at the minute I'm getting close to having the back cover off. So the tools for this would be a flat pry tool, a heat gun or a heat pad, as a bonus some isopropyl alcohol, and you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and a sim eject tool. So what I've got here as well is just a larger pry tool, also known as an iSesame tool. And there we go, got the back cover off. And from there we move on to the Phillips head screwdriver and proceed to start taking out these screws. There's none that's really hidden on this model of phone. You get some of them where they have the NFC pad might be covered over them, but on the S6 Edge or XS Edge Max, these ones seem to be all in visible clear sight. Also with this, I do have a bit of drama taking them out, so I have used some just tweezers to help get the last bits of the screw out. They seem to not fully leave the screw hole. And once you finally get the cover removed off it, or the rear assembly, we've got a few things to disconnect. We've got the screen, the battery, or soon down the bottom left hand corner there is 2 antennas, possibly 1 depending on the model that you have. Then from there at the top there's 2 sensors, the front ambient light sensor and also the front facing speaker. And with those removed, you should be able to take the main board out. There is one last cable down the bottom left hand side near where the antenna cables are. That is on the other side of the board. But this pretty much concludes this teardown, purely to get the battery. But I thought it's something interesting, so I'll put up the video. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.